In this video, we're going to explore how you can use your smartphone's camera and albums to create visual supports for your students. In this case, I'm going to choose a specific task, and I can either take photos or videos of me completing the different steps of a task and save them all in one album with the title of the album being the name of the task. And then that creates an organized visual support for my student. So I'm going to open the Photos app here. And you'll see across the bottom you have some options. There's Photos, For You, Albums, and a search function. So we're going to stay on the Albums page, which is highlighted blue. And in the top left corner you see a plus sign. That's how we're going to add a new album. And today we're going to create an album and a visual support for washing hands. So I'm going to tap the plus sign. And then I can either create a new album or a new shared album. Today we're just going to do a new album, but if you wanted to do a new shared album, you could then share your visual support that you've created with the parents of the student that you're working with or other teachers or educators. So that's a powerful tool you can use to share with your colleagues. So for today though, we'll just click New Album and it's going to ask me for a name. So we're going to do washing hands. So I'm going to type that in here. And once it looks good, we'll hit save. And what the phone is going to do is just prompt me to select the photos for my album that I want to add. The photos from my phone, that I want to add to this album. So I've already taken some pictures, so I'm going to go ahead and just select all the hand washing pictures that pertain. And when I feel like I've got them all, we'll just hit done. And you'll see on the middle left hand of the screen, the Washing Hands album is showing up there, and it's populated with all those photos we just selected. So if I wanted to use this as a visual support with my student, I click on the album, Washing Hands, and I click on the first icon. So I've already got them in order of the steps needed to complete the task. And so we'll click on the first one, turning on water. And now all we need to do is swipe to get to the next step and provide a visual support for our student. So we're turning on water, getting our hands wet, applying soap, rinsing the hands, rubbing the hands together, rinsing the hands, turning off water, and drying the hands. And there you have a pretty quick and easy way to provide a visual support step by step for your student.